Perfect. We're now going to go through example 1, which says, given the matrices below, evaluate the following. So here we've got matrix A, B, and C, and then we've got all these operations here. Now, before we dive into these things, we first need to reflect upon the importance of BIDMAS. So remember, BIDMAS is the order of operations, and I've written it out here if you just want a bit of a refresh. Remember, you first do your brackets, then your indices, which are your powers, then division and multiplication, and when they both appear in the same expression, you want to work left to right, and then addition, then subtraction, and again, you're working left to right if they both appear. Now, as long as you use your CAS appropriately, you actually don't need to worry too much about BIDMAS. As long as you type in exactly what you see onto your CAS, you'll be okay. But I still think it's important that you understand the importance of BIDMAS, because if there is a question where maybe it doesn't rely upon your calculator, you need to know that this definitely applies. But as long as you use your CAS appropriately and you put in exactly what you see, you'll be fine. And for each of these questions here, we're just going to be using our CAS. Now, as you can see, we've got the same three matrices kind of utilized in different ways here. So what we would want to do to use our CAS most efficiently is actually store these matrices onto our CAS calculator. So what I'm going to do first is store each matrix on CAS. And that's really going to save some time. So let's do that now. So we're going to come here. We've just got a 2x2 matrix. So this is 1, 5, 6, and 4. And then remember, the way that you store something is you're going to go control this button, and then I can just say, all right, this is going to be A, enter, and then I'll go again. So now I'm going to go here. This is now 1, 2, 1, 2. Control this. This is B, hit enter. Then I'll go again, this. All right, this is now -1, 0, 2, 3. I'll come over here. I'll go control this. This is C. Hit enter. Perfect. Now I've done all of that, and that took some time, but now it's going to be really easy to answer all of these. So for the first one here, I've got brackets A plus B squared minus C. So as long as you put in exactly what you see here, BIDMAS will do its thing. BIDMAS is going to say, all right, we're doing the brackets first, then we're doing the indices, then we're subtracting. And because I've typed it in exactly as I see, when I hit enter now, that is going to be my answer. So we can come over here, we can write that in. So my answer here is going to be 47, 63, 51, 89. Then we come to the next one. We've now got 3C plus A squared. See how easy it is? Bang, there's my answer. It's going to be 18, 35, 37, 62. Then we go to the next one. All right, what's happening here? This is C minus A, close bracket, raised to the power of 4, minus 2B squared. So important of typing in exactly what I see there. I then hit enter, and there's my answer. So it's going to be 251,892,172,611. Perfect. And that is how you do it. Hopefully you found this helpful. I'm just double checking I've done that all correctly. I've typed them all in well. I have. All right. I'll see you later, everyone.